What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody is doing well. Look, I got a lesson for you today. We got a lesson for you today. We got us another quartet classic. Listen, this song is going to be great for beginners that want to play some quartet gospel style music, just gospel in general, or maybe you just want to develop your skills on the guitar. This song, it's got a groove to it. It's kind of funky. It's simple at the same time. So let's go ahead and begin today's lesson. We're gonna have the Williams brothers featuring Lee Williams. Ooh wee, another blessing. Y'all familiar with that song? When the key B flat. Real quick, the chords we'll be using is gonna be a B flat, all right, which is the 1. Let's go to a E flat, which would be the 4. We're gonna hear a G minor. Okay, the G minor is the 6. That's a G minor 7 to be specific. Then we're gonna hit the 2, which is C minor 7. And we're gonna build up, right? And then we're gonna hit the 5. We're gonna turn the 5 into a sus chord. Okay. So once again, we got a B flat. Here's another B flat. All right. Here's another B flat. E flat. We got E flat here. E flat here. Some would even say this is E flat. I think we can agree. Let's see. What else we had? G minor can be here. I just want to go over this so we know where we at. C minor can be here or here. You can do it here. Of course, everything past it is a repeat. You know, just another octave. And what was another chord? Oh, the F sus. We can also do a. I like that one. We had to go back to the drum board, but I like that one. All right. Let's see. So, where we at here? Let's do it. Let's get into it. Okay. So the verse. All right. The verse. Y'all got that? That's just 1 to the 4. All right, this just, and I'm just going to the from 5 4. We just sliding it. You can slide it, and I'm just choking. You know, get funky with it. All right, and then we go to the G minor, to the 4. Thank you, Lord. And then we're gonna go. I guess this would be like a bridge in a way. So we don't C minor to the 4, the E flat major, to that 5, but we're gonna play it as sus. Then to the top. Once you get that locked in, you can add just some flair into it. You know, you can, since you know you're going from the 1 to the 4, you can do some little walks. Hit that 3 if you got enough speed. You can make it fit. So got. Make it fit now. Make it fit. Just don't pull it out. No, if it don't work, it don't work. What else you can do? Right here, you can be. Remember, our 6 is where we can draw our lead notes from. Okay, and our 6 is this G minor area right here. So. All right. Here we go. All right. Right here, this E. What's the 6 to that? Because we can play lead from that when we on this. It's C minor. You gotta do it right though. And I'm just doing some little hammer on right there. You know, the typical minor 7. Little trills and twiddle-dees or whatever you want to call them. Then. Do that. Since that's right there. That's that E flat right there. All right. And then C minor, E flat, F. There's that sus I was looking for. That's it. That's what I was looking for. So that's with the G in the bass. My bad. I was trying to put an F. Or if you can't get the, because that is a little tight squeeze right there for all them fingers. Or you can, excuse me. I'm taking y'all out of key. All right, y'all. Let's see. Don't play along with the song. Let's play along with the song for a little bit. Let's see how these things sound. We're gonna play along with the song. Let me see here. Just a minute. Give me just a second. We're gonna play along with the song. I'm gonna put. Let's see. Lord, I hope it ain't too loud. I don't want it to be too loud for y'all, so I'm gonna have to turn it down just a bit, okay? And we got this song. I think, Lord, I hope this is the right song. Oh, that's it. Lord, that is that. I don't think that is. Yeah, that's the right song. All right, so y'all hearing some of the movements? That's the beat. I'm walking it down. Mix it up. That's it. And look, that's just out of that scale, okay? That's out of that scale. Look, y'all don't enjoy yourself while you play, okay? Enjoy yourself while you play. That's why it's important for you to know your options. It's important for you to know your options. When you know your options, you can know what you can get away with and what you can't. You can start trying out some stuff, but you can't be shooting into the dark. You got to know your options, okay? How about that? That works because I can almost go 1 to the 2 because look, it's just those are the different notes. That's the note difference. And if I'm not playing that and I'm playing the top, you'll never know. You'll never know. Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying? Listen, I hope this helps you. Ooh-wee, another blessing. Oh, man, I hope this has been a blessing to you. Hey, that's what we got today, man. Y'all let me know where we're coming. Hop in the comments. I want to hear from you, okay? Y'all know this song? Y'all know this song? Did this help you? All right? Hop in the comments. Let me know. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to bring you some more content, all right? Thank you. I'll turn this thing off.